Hello everyone, myself Orkotik Mandal again. Good morning to everyone, and in this video I will be screencasting my performance over the Leetcode Weekly Contest 281, and the contest duration is of 1 hours and 30 minutes. The contest is going to start in 37 in about half a minute, and let's see how it goes. I wish all of you a best of luck. Just a second. Seconds to go. Let's go. Oh, this is recording, right? Count integers with given a positive integer num, return the number of positive integers less than or equal to num whose digit sums are even. Okay. Positive integers, right? So we can just say it's my code running for the sample test cases. Four, 2, 30, 40. Let's check it. And submit. It's taking a lot of time actually. 30, 40, cool. Accept and cool. You are given the head of a linked list which contains a series of integers separated by zeros, which says the beginning and end of the linked list will have node dot val equal to 0 equals to 0. For every two consecutive zeros, merge all the nodes lying between them into a single node whose value is sum of all the merged nodes. So can I create a new linked list here? Yes, I think. So in this case the output should be 0, 3, 1, 0, 3, 1, so 4. Okay, got it. Okay, there are no two consecutive nodes with nodal factors. Okay, so I can do something like this. Node star answer equal to node list node answer equals to answer error val equals to sum. Okay, so this is previous actually. Previous written the head of the area list. Previous should be answer, and that should be previous equal to new list node 3. Okay, new list node previous equal to answer maybe. Answer equal to new list node answer error val equal to sum else previous error next equal to new else list node answer error val equal to sum previous equal to answer else list node error current equal to new list node current error val equal to sum previous error next equal to current answer. That's right, head equals to head arrow next. While if not head, then just should always break cool, and otherwise while head.val not equals to 0, some pass equals to head arrow val. That's right, so head equals to head arrow next cool. If not answer should be new list node answer val should be sum previous equals to answer else list node star current equal to new list node current arrow val equals to sum previous arrow next equal to current. I think that's right. Compilation error previous equal to answer it's not star previous star answer. Cool. Check the next test case also. One, 3, 4 should be my output here. So it's giving only one only. Next. One, 3, so it's giving 3 actually. Okay, right, head arrow val not equals to 0, here head arrow val equals to 0. Got it. So what I have done here, if we had to see out head arrow val of a cool sum equal to 0, okay, so I missed shit is equal to current. Now this should be fine. Cool. Construct a string with repeated limit. Copy paste divisible by q. Given a string s and an integer repeat limit, construct a new string repeat limited string using the character surface such that no letter appears more than repeat limit times in a row. Cool. You don't have to use all characters from the lexicographically largest repeat limit string possible. So in this case, what I've done is repeat limit more than repeat limit times in a row. It's more than repeat. You can use all the letters from S to construct a new string Z, C, C, A, C. You can use A appears at most one time in a row. Using the characters of S. No letter appears more than repeat limit times in a row. So why Z is not 3 times here? Get your point here. You are given a string as an integer repeat limit. Construct a new string repeat limited string using the characters of this such that no letter appears more than repeat limit times in a row. You do not have to use all characters from S. So why not 3 Z's here? No letter appears more than repeat limit times in a row. Why Z is not appearing? Why Z is not appearing 3 times here? Okay, got it. No. Okay. Shit, there are 2 Z's here. मैं अंधा हूँ यार. Okay, so using only the characters, so I cannot append any characters. So Z, C, C, A, C, got it. So A, B, B, got it. So we can use B, B. So we can use B, B. Then we can use A. Then we can use B, 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 A, B. Then we can use A, A. B, B. 3 A's have been used. Why not the 4th A? 2 times in a row. Okay. Largest. Got it. String answer equal to 0. Limit. Number of times repeat limits. Okay, so this will work as characters only. Repeat limit. Okay, I can keep a pointer actually. P equals to 25. Sorry for this thing. For int not of h of y greater than equal to 0, and then not of h of p in minus minus int x equal to minimum of h of p comma okay, so I need to okay, got it. So another character I need to place here. So repeat limit times I have to place one character, then another character, then so first repeat limit times I have to place one character. So you can keep a pointer here. So we have to actually keep 2 pointers, right? Like in the case of z, c, 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 a. One pointer at z, one pointer at c. Okay, so firstly you have to 2 characters of z. Now one pointer at c, and then one pointer at a. Got it. Minimum of h of p comma limit if p less than 0 break minimum of h of p comma limit h of p minus equal to x int I equal to 0 I less than x comma x plus answer plus equal to char a plus I. No, this is not right. A plus p. Okay, so this is now right. Now I have to keep 2 pointers actually, so another pointer should be kept. Since now I put this character here, I cannot place this character again. Okay, let's remove all of this and let's think about it a little. This thing okay. So we can use repeat limit times some characters, then some character, then repeat limit time this character again, some character, then this character, different character, some character again, some character. Okay, and r equal to for int I equal to 0 I less than 20, for int I equal to 25 I less than equal to 0 minus if h of I and r equal to minus 1 l equal to minus 1. If h of I, if r equal to minus 1 r equal to I, else l equal to I, else l equal to I break. R equal to minus 1, then r should be I, else l equals to I break. Cool. Now for int I equivalent while p greater than equal to 0, while it is r greater than equals to 0, while h of p, okay, while h of p, while p greater than equals to, while r greater than equal to 0, and then not of h of p by not of h of r minus minus. Cool. Now which if r less than 0, then we should obviously break here, otherwise we have a candidate to place here right now. So oh shit, what I'm doing is bad here. We can just use a priority queue from here. Shit, we're doing bad things here. priority less than 26 comma plus plus pq dot push I comma if h of I, if h of I pq dot push I comma h of I answer equal to 0 while not of pq dot empty pty not of pq dot empty int current equal to pq pair of int comma pair of int comma int current equal to pq dot top pq dot top if not of pq dot if pq dot empty dy then for int I equal to 0 I less than minimum of limit comma current dot second comma I plus plus answer plus equal to char of a plus I. This is correct. A plus current arrow first. Okay. If not pq, if pq dot empty, else pair of int else. Okay, so this thing has to be done initially. Control V. Pq dot if pq dot empty, then we should break from here. Otherwise, what we can do is that while not of pq dot empty dy. This is correct actually. If pq dot empty, then we should obviously broke. Otherwise, what we should do is that int next equal to pq dot top int next equal to pq dot top pq dot top for int I equal to 0 I less than minimum of just copy this thing control C control V I less than 0 I less minimum of limit comma next arrow second comma I plus plus next arrow first cool. Now if okay, so int x equal to minimum of limit comma next arrow second minus equal to x. Cool. Int x equal to minimum of current arrow second comma current arrow second minus equal to x. Cool. Next next arrow second. Okay, if current arrow second pq dot push current if next arrow second pq dot push next I think that's it. Okay, so pq dot pop I've done that, right? Compilation error in minimum of current arrow second. Okay, so current dot second, this should be current dot second x current dot second, this should be current dot first next dot second next dot first if current dot second if next dot second. dot second minus equal to x, current dot second minus equal to x. Z Z C C C C A A. This is bad actually. C C C C. Int current equals to int current arrow, see out current arrow first. See out current arrow first. See out current arrow first. Okay, so no, let's not go thoroughly. See out next arrow, next dot first. Selection. Okay, got it. I got my mistake here. Previous equal to -1 in previous. Okay, if previous equal to current dot first, if pq dot empty then break, else int next equal to current, pair of int comma int. Next equal to current. I'm taking a lot of time here to go to this thing. Previous equal to current dot first, then if equal to means we should break, otherwise next should be equal to current and current, pair of int comma int current equal to pq dot top, pq dot pop. Then we can have the same loop here. Control C, Control V. This loop and this loop again. Control C. X equal to minimum of limit comma next dot second, next dot is equal to x. Continue. If previous equal to current dot first. Okay, so okay, previous equal to next dot first. Okay, this is previous equal to next dot first. ZZCCCAC, cool. Even the right answer right now. Let's check for check also. Repeat limit 2. It took a long time to put this to this point. Control V 2. BBAA BAA BBAA BAA BBAA. I got a mistake here. So in this case it's a little bit of a tricky case here. Okay, pop. No, this is a little bit of a tricky case here. So what I should do is that I should just print one character here. Answer, Control Z, Control Z. Current equal to pq dot top, pq dot pop, text equal. And current equal to pq dot pop, pq dot pop, and current dot second minus minus answer plus equal to care of a plus current dot first. So I should care of a plus current dot first. Continue, and previous should be equal to current dot first. Okay. So now if the previous is equal to current at first, then this means that I have to print one character of the other thing, right? So here is current dot top dot pop current dot second minus minus current dot first, previous equals to current dot first. If current dot second, then pq dot push current. Continue, else what I should do, you can just print the minimum of the other two characters. If pq dot empty, I think I can just do this thing. pq dot empty. I think this should be the ideal choice. Index equal to minimum of these two things. Then pq dot empty break. Otherwise we should just print one character from this and continue. Otherwise what I should do is that just print all the characters. Print dot first, if current dot second, push. Compilation error here. Current dot second minus minus, so current dot second. BBA is only printed here. Current should first. Current equal to 1, 0, 1, equal previous minus 1, current equal to 1, previous equal to 1. Then we should try to print a BBA. Okay, got it. Got a mistake here. Got my mistake here. Next equal to next second minus minus. Next first. Push current. Push. B B A B A A B B A B A A. Cool. Let's check for this test case also. Once control A. What have I done here? Shit. Control C. A control V. We cannot take any more penalties here because that would ZZCCC. Let's check for some test case of hours also. CCCCC CA CCC ACCC A BB. Let's check for this also. CCC, yes, this is bad. Okay, now CCC B CCC B A. Cool, I think this is correct right now. Cool, accepted. Cool. That was pretty hectic. We took a lot of time in solving problem C here. Given a zero index interior and nums of length and interior, return the number of pairs I such that I less than equal to minus 1 nums I into nums j is divisible by k. Nums I into nums j is divisible by k. So to be divisible by k, what are the constants actually? Let's define in being pushed back. We have to put the number of pairs as that nums I into nums j is divisible by k. Okay, I think this is a common problem actually. I've seen this problem before. Okay. So we can reduce everything to a multiple of k actually. I think this problem is available on GFG. Find number of integers such that a of I into a of j is divisible by k. Okay, so whose pairs are divisible by k. This is not the same problem. Okay, so what we can do is that, like k will have some factors actually. Okay, so I have a pretty bad rank right now. How many people solved all the problems? Okay, so not a lot of people solved all the problems. Okay, so let's try to solve this and don't look at the standings right now because relax at 142. Cool. Okay, return the number of pairs I is such that okay, nums I into nums j should be divisible by k. So let's say k has a prime factorization like this: 2 raised to the power p1, 3 raised to the power p2, 5 raised to the power p3, and something like this. Okay. So we can find something like this, like a submask which is present, like if it is 1 2 3 4 5 and let's say we are looking for 2. So let's say we are at 1 2 3 4 5. So let's say k equals to 2. So for the index 1 I will check here. Okay, so number of pairs I less than j. Okay, so for this all these pairs, cool, got it. So I think we can count everything. We can count everything 2 times and then just divide it by 2. That's not okay. That's okay. So let's say for we want to calculate here for 2. So 1 and 2 has the HCF of 2 as the HCF of 1. So all the multiples of 2 will be the candidates for answer for 1, like in this case 2 and 4 answer. Okay, so for 1 we have got 2 answers. For 2, so all the multiples of 1 would be answer. So it is 4, 2 plus 4 plus 4 3, all the multiples of 2 should be answer. So this is again 2 comma for 4 all the so for 4 all the multiples of 1 should be answer. So 4 and for 5 all the multiples of 2 should be 2. 6 7 8 9 10 14. 6 10 14 14. I got the solution here. If we just calculate the number of multiples of a certain number, vector of error count of LL max equal to 1 if 5, count of max plus 1 for LL I equal to 0, for LL Ctrl Z count of max plus 1 div of and mul of max plus 1. This mul thing will store the number of multiples for a certain number. For auto index in A, count of x plus plus for LL I equal to 1 or less than equals to max comma plus plus for LL j equal to I, j less than equals to max comma j plus equal to I. Okay, so number of multiples of this number, mul of j plus equal to so this should be the number of multiples including this number also. Mul of j plus equal to count of j. Got it. So for auto and x, so we'll keep a global, we'll keep answer variable, and lastly what we should do is that answer slash equal to 2. Should I retrieve answer from here? For auto and x in A, x equal to GCD of x comma what I should say k, x slash equal to k, okay, required equal to k by x. If required equal to x, okay, so current, if required equal to current, answer plus equals to mul of required minus count of required else answer plus equal to mul of required. I think that's right. If required equals to current, then answer plus equals to the number of multiples of required subtracting the count of this required thing. Cool, right? Otherwise this should be the just the multiple of number of multiples. No, it's not like this. Like if current is a multiple of required, if current percentage required equal to 0. That is, if current if our current number is a multiple of required, then answer should be plus equals to the total number of multiples of required. Okay, it's plus equals to count of required into, should be plus equals to this thing, and that should be plus equals to this thing, right? We are calculating for each and every index, exactly each and every individual indices, so that's right. Number of multiples of required minus count of required else not required. I think that's okay. No matching function called to GCD. Got it. And k equal to k. Now I think it should be right. 1 2 3 4 5, only 3 is required. Okay, so let's try to calculate this small, check for the small thing. I equals to 1, I less than equals to L, comma I plus plus for I equals to 6, comma I plus plus, say out I equal to I count of I, count equal to count of I, what I'm doing here, I equals to I, count equals to count of I hyphen mol equals to for I equals to 1, for 1 count equals to 1, mol is 1. Why the mol is 1? J plus equal to I, mol of I plus equals to count of J. Shit 7, your answer 7, right? So let's check for this test case. 1 2 3 4 and 5, 2 3 4 and 5 here. The answer 0. Please giving the right answer right now. We can check for some test cases. I think we should check for them other test cases also. Let's just submit. Oh shit, wrong answer. Output 10, expected 11. Cool. Got a good. Okay. Minus count of current, this should be. Shit here. V. Shit, I put a bad mistake there. Minus count of current. 1 2 3 4 5 2. 2 7. Again wrong answer. 2 wrong answers in a row. This is bad. Okay. Minus 1 actually should be. I now got the solution. I am a little bit of dumb here. 15. Cool. I am a little bit down here, so what can I do here? Let's just submit. Cool, accepted. I got two wrong answers, which is very bad. So let's check my rank right now. So my time will be about 1 minute, which is bad. I got two wrong answers because of silly mistakes in my code, which is bad. My rank 220 is my rank right now. So I think a rank of under 300 will be there for me. I think I should be something here only, but I could have easily got a much better rank here. How is this thing happening here? 200, 225, 225 people have. So in top 200, I could have easily got under a rank of under 200 here. Without the two wrong bad penalties, we could have easily got 50 here. So like under 150, like under 200 run could have been easily possible without the two wrong bad penalties. But that's okay. It happens. I wasted a lot of time in problem C, but I managed to solve problem D pretty fast. One was good. Here it was okay. Here I wasted 27 minutes in the problem C, 37, and only 14 minutes in problem D. What was problem D? Okay, this one is problem D. So that's okay. I think we can get a top 200. We can clickbait using a rank of under 250 here. Got it. So that's it for this video, guys. Let's see. Let's check what will be my final rank. I'm not sure about my final rank here. It's increasing since I have two wrong submissions here. That's the reason. So I think we will definitely get a rank of under 250 here. So let's stop recording right now. So thank you guys for watching this video. In the comment section I will write my final rank. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video.